the next fixtures. Opa Arsenal in match. Na Obia be the same number of Arsenal games. Ma Obia can be at 3 points. One of us Arsenal.
So normally do 2 points.
So what is the problem? League near Bono. And yes, Arsenal at the baby near to Tio Mobile. Omuno Obia able league Nico. And yam because you see a domini. They are so entakache. Into any problem. But Arsenal will win this league. Obi oyo chini difu bi opon brani ento bet. Abba.
Even Arsenal for now cry no. Omo so say panic say league ya hwe but ye be bottle.
That is from a supporters perspective.
Okay.
Maybe I'm catch you say your fans for no ma trolling any argument that is for them. Me betina ha me nya fan. I look at all the teams in the Premier League. Me show Obia strength, Obia consistency, Obia fixtures team no say here. Arsenal is better than all of them. And go for you Arsenal akobo draw against Wolverhampton Wanderers. Team edi Arsenal chi City. The next game is at the Etihad against Newcastle. Does this guarantee you versus our game nana?
You see, my answer is no.
Yes, Arsenal tricky fixtures but in the next 2 games. Obo North London derby against Tottenham. No, we are about Chelsea. 2 very, very crucial. I think City about Newcastle. Then they play one, I think Leeds or so. Very, very on paper.
Tricky.
Very cheap games relatively. So how they compare Arsenal now? Okay, obviously, and the entity say Arsenal in league and say along Arsenal fixtures no, almost City ball. Who told you this City team will beat Arsenal?
I say football.
No, and say footballer. I didn't know will be say City versus Arsenal, and the manager says City versus league no. This City team can't beat Arsenal. This season, on Pomunsha 10, they can never beat Arsenal, not even a single one. And don't promote for say be in Zonka. The day and go for be there to Arsenal be winning league no. Rich will be the day they will beat City. Omuno musia.
Onom the league no.
And na be mo bia or you involved in this debate in be there to say Ayala kan Arsenal team no is better than City team no. O the upper I drew me see obi oyo chin the phobia no.
I tell you, I like BMO.
Me be that, but this time.
Also, there are who say so now. No,
Faulty or Gillis or Abbas Arsenal.
Which and I share game. Never see. Now, one thing wonder say, boy, no more. Some common be Omodano. Because Enra, they played very, very well. And they look like a spirited team. Team of spirits. They match Arsenal boot for boot. Yes, there were moments that Arsenal just said they were so dominant over them, especially up to the time Arsenal said 2-0. No. But Rich, after Arsenal 2-0, no, and even in between, Wolverhampton Wanderers actually said they are not pushovers in a Premier League. And I was asking myself, so for the scene they be omo and Arsenal challenge, you know, and I'm on my page omo boss our game, you know. I think they did well. And it's a whole born and no money Arsenal boy now. Rich, on the balance of play, they deserve something out of the game. My problem with Arsenal and Ra, look, omo game management, you know. Mikel Arteta seems to be confused. Our solid defense. And onim say on take a decision say or take lead we na ohana on team fa in managing the game on rely on a solid defense no defend me and I say onye the student that he has been all over in life as a coach working under Pep. I said the best way to manage a game is to possess it. Na onye ball no nkuta no dictate play nana. Now anka team ewo Zubimendi Declan Rice. Obi obebo ten bia say Odegaard o, say Eze o, say Mikel Merino, say Bukayo Saka Nansing, and Odrift. Arsenal do have a team. Rich, I think what they should be doing at the training grounds is to possess the game, doing game management. Rather than
defending.
Like relying on their solid defense. Because baby Mikel Arteta free ban City no. Ni period no in the leagues that City won. Their game management plan was not to defend. It was to possess the football. And yes, Mikel Arteta Daniel Fisadian because only players on they do have it.
Abia is on trust in the defense in the game.
You see?
Because Arsenal at this time won't concede. They are conceding 2-3.
It is because of the way they are defending. Arsenal shouldn't be a team that would defend low block under pressure against Wolves. No. What should you do? No one passable on any upon. That is Arsenal. That is a disciple of Pep. That is what Pep will do. That is what a Spanish coach will do. It's all the attributes of Arteta. And the way he wants to manage games, you know. And that is why Emma may question and say, why is he doing that?
Go Wolves now in the neighbor. Actually, 2-0.
Yes, 2. Pass the game and let's 2. Pass in the name pong. Mikel Arteta, you are a Spanish midfielder. You've learned under the best when it comes to game management with possession. So what is your problem? And you do have the materials. Oh, materials, you know. Rich, say a drew the idea. You see, sometimes when you are also far from the team, the armchair coaching is more easier on paper. Yeah. Because and come and tell you say there are some games a drew best 78 minutes last night say 2. They should forget about more forward wingers now. Like Enra, time of pressure no Musunya, they still had Martinelli and all the Trossard by. But I would have preferred you bringing in more midfielders than wing forwards somebody born in America.
I'm count midfield.
Because somebody go America, it is either they are going to create a chance from it or they are going to lose the ball. So if you don't want to lose the ball, bring in players they will play to frustrate you. You may have Odegaard as your number 10. You may have Eze as one of our wingers. When you want to manage games, it is Eze, or Odegaard, or Zubimendi, or Declan Rice. These are 4 midfielders. 4. They can 2 microseconds, 3 microseconds, and they can pass. And Odegaard should watch that. The game management is becoming problematic. And Rich, if you want to extend the Arsenal competition, say what? Even now saying Arsenal games are winning. Any ball no winning. They are not playing dominant football. Arsenal, they are not dominating opposition to win. They play just like the Omobon and against Wolves. But the difference is that they are able to say Omodo game management state now. They are able to defend well. And wrong with the way Gabriel Magalhaes and David Raya. Because according to Magalhaes, time across in the Bayern. Goalkeeper, he was no Gabriel. No, he had the situation under control.
Okay,
you don't have to panic and come out. And how about Montina miscommunication? Mummy and Mko class in about the Koto. Then pum. That Nigerian UK guy, small boy. Oba game require only 10 minutes. No Bobo on the Calafiori. And a ball say. And the time now born is saying. You wouldn't expect Arsenal say on Mitmasakwa Gobium. Now, before Sir incident in the look at chances of Arsenal. Gabriel Jesus Nyebi, Martinelli Nyebi. But they couldn't and kept 3-0 there. Was a bum crabby. And see, yes, these are the lessons that Arsenal must go through to fine-tune the way they want to finish the league. But Rich, I still insist, say, from every Premier League club this season, Arsenal is better than all of them. The signs now, Arsenal, also now, Obi say, oh, a weakness, no. Say weakness, no. Omu competitors now even more. Omu quite more weaker than Arsenal.
Oh, two messages. First one, Samson. I say I'm an Arsenal fan, but I'm not convinced that Arsenal can beat City at Etihad Sports, especially after struggling to get a point against City at Etihad this season. Then the second message from Odum TV. I say Richard, tell Ayala that I want to bet him €100.
Nice one.
That Arsenal cannot win the league.
First one, Arsenal fan no. Was it on your convinced Arsenal be Man City?
Yeah.
In the reverse
fixture.
And the reason and it's
the first leg no want to me am far you know.
Oh come on. First leg in City share Arsenal na.
I mean I'm draw right.
Me say this City team can't beat Arsenal. Now ebe me dey say if Arsenal should maintain the points gap. Now omo dey go City game anymore. Rich, what it would then mean say Pep Guardiola must tell the boys we must win this game. Say Arsenal. I want that kind of game where City comes into a game against Arsenal and they know say they must come out and win that game. No, how no? And your fluke say Wadri. I was Spanish national team. None deputy Yezu Bimendi na Mikel Arteta kofana ba say o me bone say no.
Oh, I want to say you Odum TV message na me kan me kasema dan for pa Hasla JK do UK.
Okay.
On the
so obeba be.
Aye. The second cry a pound mo menya euro.
Okay, £100.
£100.
£100 the bag is coming.
You check in here there. Also Hasla JK the madam for pa UK. Or Greater Manchester Chronium.
Oh, okay.
Also £100.
And the Arsenal don't may say. Your phone program na any rich in Nimco. Na me family man. Now also send all the man.
Sure.
Now rich in your refuge. You know, feel no. Now on fast can.
The boss is in
yeah. Where do you know?
Yes,
yeah, the other man no see why they be winning.
On the assassin to win the league.
But why never?
One cabinet also no need bet no con say Arsenal. And no person catch us Arsenal to win the league.
I don't have a problem with that. Rich, I know Champions League games, within by 2 minutes.
Okay.
Results that in the first legs, I think sir, there are some games that are dead. Games in the Rich. My first one will be the Galatasaray one. Rich and the woo. Oh yeah.
5-2 no.
There's no way.
You went to me action be out.
Oh, Turin. They will fight, but they will not be able to qualify.
Okay.
Now, they know both of already Inter. Look, so both of them make once and more hatch. And when you watch them play, Rich, unya bibia wo trim say born on mo na fluke. Any fairy tale.
Born anu nimbo.
Yes. Any fairy tale. Un say you will win go ha. Basa basa. But when they are basa basa Rich. They've done it to Man City. Omo the same thing to Atletico Madrid. And now they've added Inter. Now minimum say the San Siro, Inter will think a budo. You create the atmosphere, but me charge it near the you. It can happen. But bodo at the sort of team we. And last time I catch you say they are doing all this and a pre-season momo. They are not playing the Norwegian league right now. Only pre-season now. Look at their team. They play with a lot of confidence, Rich. A lot of confidence. And you love watching them. But I think that the most chaotic game per the course of Belgium now. Club Brugge.
Atletico Madrid now.
Rich. Game need you be handsome. 3-3. And Maminka says same way. Rich, the second leg is going to follow the same pattern. Atletico will not have it easy. Even though Brugge will come to Spain. They will not. Fasa baby Sunka. They will not. Apart from the Galatasaray game, no, I think said the second game are dead. Not based on the results, but based on the fixture. PSG in Monaco. No. Was like a 3-2 they are tight. Maybe I bet me see. But they are taking the game to Paris. And they are too good for the Monaco team. Okay. Over the way we see Bashi on one side now. Bibi ade the professor omo entimi omo. And now Patrick Sheik enya 2 late goals in the second half. I'm a Leverkusen Ekoshe Olympiacos. I think also taking that game to Germany kills that tie for me. Omo betimi qualify. The rest of the games, you know, say ukasa place premium on all factors. You may add a Real Madrid game. Menya so say Benfica what it takes to come to Santiago Bernabeu and win against him, your friend Real Madrid. The rest, I'm not too sure about Atlanta turning it against Dortmund derby. And the second leg, you know, of the playoffs in Rich, I remember a clear picture on a certain things. Okay. And I think that by this time, say will be our bet in Krana. Their website emo akunya to bet on who qualifies. I think say you can pick from now. See, teams are after the first leg, you know, or me I qualify. Me will coach be, but because Martinez in it, you know, I will not mention them. Just go to my social media handle and pick them. Call my X account now. Unsa ebetimi aka me X account no send it be amedi to jan owusu bempa Ayala and answer at @akwasi_Ayala oko unsa beka oko bismako owusu bempa -Ayala ewo Facebook and answer Ayala Sports ewo Facebook unsa beka so you member of me group no me WhatsApp channel no dey na unsa kakos ne dada o me Telegram no so unsa ebetimi akanda dada nti that is how enyoma esi etie.
Okay, I am your Kaplan Abramovich, also on US. Honestly, Richardo.